So what to expect next for Bitcoin since the price got rejection around this 20,300, 20,400 range. On my previous video, I showed you guys with this double top formation. If the price of Bitcoin is going to fail to find support above this 20,300, 20,400 range, because around that area, we found out that in the past price action, it acted as a strong line of resistance. We even had this retracement here, but when the price was approaching around this exact line, I showed you guys with this double top formation that if we fail to find proper support above this horizontal line around 20,300, 20,400, then we will be calling this as a M pattern or a double top pattern. And in our case, you can see this bearish continuation played out perfectly. So what to expect next here for Bitcoin? I mean, in the medium short term, after this double top formation, what I am personally expecting the price of Bitcoin to do is to show range bound, a very similar scenario, just like from the past price action, right? Like this, some consolidation and then some bullish movement. Because if we look at this price structure here in a bit different way, let me show you in this way. So if you look at this falling trend line, you can see after this double top formation, the price is clearly heading into the downward direction. But if you look at this formation carefully, you will see the price here is forming this channel, and this channel is actually considered as a bullish channel. I mean, this is a bull flag. So if this is going to be a trend continuation here in this manner, then what we want the price of Bitcoin to do is to flip this upper line resistance into support. So if we do manage to break this upper line resistance into support, then expect this trend continuation to happen here like this, because according to this bull flag, you can see according to this bull flag, if this trend continuation is going to happen, then we could be seeing 20,800, 21,000 range again before choosing a trend direction. So that's why for us, even though this trend is showing some weakness, but we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to consolidate some more, even some small shakeout before building this bull flag formation and slowly building some momentum to break here to the upside. And beside this, guys, beside this, what I also want to include in today's video is this Williams alligator indicator, RSI, MACD and T3CCI scenarios. Why? Because on my previous video, I pointed out an exact move which played out here in price action of Bitcoin. I mean, I showed you guys in the past price action, whenever we have seen this green line from this Williams alligator indicator appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, that indicates the price is ready for this new impulsive movement. But what has happened in most of the cases after we have seen some bullish crossover playing out? A reversal here. Price coming back to retest this Williams alligator indicator, finding support above that area and then continuing this bullishness. So that was one reason why I showed you guys with this Williams alligator indicator. Even though this was a bullish crossover, we could see a reversal, price coming back to retest the support around this Williams alligator indicator before again showing this bullishness. So right now, if we look at these indicators here to the downside, MACD is still bullish, RSI now is below 50 level, which is not a good sign, but T3CCI is still in a positive territory. So if we manage to see some more consolidation and price remaining above 19,000, guys, that could be triggering another bullish scenario, which I just showed you with this example here. Why? Because we came back to retest the support around this 19,000 RSI line. As soon as it starts jumping above 50 level, then we could be seeing another bullish crossover here playing out in Williams alligator indicator. And in that case, I am actually expecting some more range bound and also impulsive movement towards 20,800, 21,000 before choosing an actual trend direction. So that's why, guys, for me in the medium short term, this support around 19,000 is very important. As long as we are going to remain above that, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue this impulsiveness after some consolidation or range bound scenario. Even this 2B reversal pattern, which we talked on my previous video, is actually indicating, hey, right now we are coming back to test the support around this X, because in the past price action around that area we got rejection. You can see a lot of weak rejection here to the upside. But now this pullback could be looked as a retest from this previous temporary resistance line. So you can see this line acted as a resistance in the past price action, and now this could be a retest. Yes, guys, if we manage to remain above 19,000, then this is going to be looked as a retest, and price after some consolidation could be starting another movement here towards this bigger falling trend line, because this falling trend line is one of the target area where we could be possibly heading. This exact trend line, which has rejected the price couple of times, could be looked as our potential upcoming target if we manage to remain above 19,000 area. And beside this example, guys, what I also want to include into this video is this descending channel, which is playing out here in daily time frame, because we know along with this falling trend line, also this upper line is looked as our potential upcoming target for Bitcoin. So here in the immediate short term, we are expecting some more support, which we have around 19,000, which I just showed you with the previous example, to be reversal pattern. If we remain above this 19,000, right, then I am still expecting this trend continuation to happen here, like this price getting attracted towards this upper line area from this descending channel before choosing a trend direction. So for me in the immediate short term, I am actually expecting some consolidation or range bound scenario before price again shows some bullishness. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin. But let me also show you what is going to happen if we fail to hold the support around 19,000. Now, before I switch the chart, let me remind you guys, we have around $8,550 bonus available for our community members in the description down below. Bybit, which is my favorite crypto exchange, is giving around $4,450 bonus, and Phemex around $4,100. So if you are an experienced trader, do grab this opportunity. In that case, guys, we will be looking at this dead cat bounce scenario, which is also playing out parallelly, because if you look at this area where we are finding ourselves around this 0.4, the continuation happens in more of a range bound type of way. So you can see this consolidation or range bound scenario is clearly indicating a lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern. So if this is going to fail to hold the support around this 19,000, then we are also expecting a very similar movement to happen here in this manner. I mean, price showing some range bound, but still making this lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern, and also following the original trend. And in this case, the original trend is clearly heading here to the downward direction. So please be careful, and let's hope that the price of Bitcoin remains above 19,000. And now, guys, before I conclude this video, please, a like and a comment is all what I'm asking from you guys. A single like and a comment is definitely going to boost the algorithm of the channel and also boost the motivation to create content like this. So if you want to support me in any way, a like and a comment is all what I'm asking. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.